store our result. So I will make the total first, where we will store the entire Roman values, total integer value, and I will also use a pref val that's gonna store the previous value of the Roman symbol. Let's set it to 0. This will be handy when we want to do the subtraction cases. Alright, so let's create a simple for each loop where C is the character in the string S. String S is provided when the program first starts. Now we'll handle the lower cases, that is if. Before we do that, let's create another variable that will hold the current val, that is the Roman map of C. Then we'll say if previous val is less than current val, what we'll do is we will add total with the current val minus 2 times of previous val. I will explain why we are doing 2 times over here, because on the else case what we'll do is total is just a simple addition of current val. So let's say there's a case where I appears for the first time, it will land in the else part, that is we'll add the I value to the total, and next time on the current value if V comes, right? So in those cases we'll see what is the previous value. Previous value was 1 and the current value is V, that is 5. In those cases we will reduce the number. Let's say 5 minus 1 is 4, but on the previous, when the I first appear, we have already added that to the total value. That's why we are subtracting twice. So once we are done with that, we'll set a new previous value that's gonna be the current val, and if we return the total,